Within our lawn treatment range, we have built-in ready-to-use spreaders for a variety of products, and we also have a built-in spreader for our Miracle-Gro Patch Magic products. These devices are simple to use and are ready to be used immediately. I'm going to show you how to use this Miracle-Gro Evergreen Complete, which is a combined lawn food and weed and moss killer. This handheld spreader is so simple to use. Press down the yellow spout and the yellow button, slide back the green cover cap and then flip the spout over until it fully clicks. The trick is to apply the product evenly, and this is based on your walking speed. For this spreader you need to cover 1 meter per second. We would recommend that you measure 5 meters first by using 2 canes 5 meters apart, walk between the 2 canes holding the empty spreader, and time yourself until you can consistently do this in 5 seconds. Once you have mastered your walking speed, this is the speed you need to walk across the lawn, applying the product. Now you're ready to go. Walking at this brisk pace, invert the dispenser so that the spout points towards the ground and the granules flow freely. Maintain the spout at a comfortable height, say at least 45 centimeters, and I recommend holding the spreader close to your hip with your arms straight and still. This will enable you to spread the product across the lawn in even strips and should avoid overlapping. Do not shake the spreader as you walk, as this will increase the amount of product being dispensed and will result in an uneven distribution. It's like mowing a lawn, you wouldn't go up and down in uneven stripes, since it will affect the appearance. The same applies for this product. When you get to the end of the lawn and stop walking, always raise the spout carefully to stop the flow of the granules. A common mistake is that customers continue to have the spreader device pointed towards the ground as they turn, which results in excess product and ultimately the lawn being burned in patches at the ends of their lawn. After the product has been applied correctly, if no rain falls within 2 days, water the lawn thoroughly so that the lawn food starts to work. We also recommend to avoid walking on the lawn until it is watered in and has fully dried, to reduce the risk of transferring the granules to other areas of the garden where they may cause staining, for example decking or paths. This handheld spreader is ideal for lawns up to 100 square meters. When purchased, it comes with the product already inside, so it is ready to go straight away. However, the real benefit of this spreader is that it can be used again and again, simply by refilling. These packs have an easy pour spout to make it easier to pour into the spreader. To refill, release the spout and fold out into the spreading position. Grip the yellow base of the spout, twisting anti-clockwise. Set the spreader head to one side while refilling. And then replace the head securely before reusing. Just be aware that the pack may sometimes cover a different area to the amount originally sold in the spreader, so always double check when putting the product into the spreader. As I mentioned, we also have an inbuilt spreader within our Miracle-Gro Patch Magic range. I'll show you how it works. Before applying this product, you should make sure the patches have been prepared by raking the soil to disturb it. Then, lift the black spout and fully extend the spreader device. Shake the product over the patch so that the product dispenses freely. Ensure the soil is still visible so that the product has space to germinate. Water thoroughly and keep moist for the next 2 weeks. It's as simple as that.